So this is BVM's newest plug-and-play. This is the 3-meter Desperado. Mine is powered by a KingTech 235. Of course, it's Spectrum guided, and I am running the new Synapse AS3X Plus stabilization system. Servos are BVM, rebranded Savox, as we all know. This airplane has one of the newest features, which it has electric landing gear and electric brakes, which is new for this model and also can be retrofitted to the BVM Renegade. So I'll give you a tour inside. Let's take a look.
Let's look. I'm trying not to step on anything.
You're good. So everything you see inside comes with the airplane, minus the turbine, the receiver, and the gyro. This plane comes 99% built from the factory.
I was going to say, is it all plumbed in when you get it too?
Everything is plumbed. The fuel system is completed. The UAT is installed and completed. Basically, all we do is bolt in the turbine, the pump, and the ECU, and put in your radio system of choice and program the surfaces.
Cool.
I think I had a total of maybe 7 hours assembling this airplane.
You loved every minute of it too.
I did.
I know you did.
And we're going to let Jeff fly it, so stand by for that.
Oh my God. Oh my God. You better have a buddy box handy.
We got buddy boxes.
All right. Thanks, Brian.
It's a lifetime supply. You don't want to pop the ground. Right. Right. That's kind of cool. And you know, it's as soon as I pulled up, I've been here like as soon as I pulled up, I was like, yeah. That's why I wanted to phone that. I've been working. I have too. I've been in my truck. Leave me alone. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's our cooler right over there. Yeah. These guys though are going to be hard to freaking beat. Yeah. These are when they're trucks and full batteries right now. Sounds like a plan. Shiny BVM. There's a set of F86 bags from Revox in the raffle. So maybe you'll win. What else is in the raffle?